There can be arrows also like this. They are having orientations or they are having directions. So this is also a kind of graph. This is known as directed graph or oriented graph. We will be discussing later on. So what is graph? A graph is a set of nodes or vertices connected by a set of edges or branches. Now what is network topology or what is graph theory? Network topology or graph theory is a graphical representation of electrical circuits. It is useful for analyzing complex electrical circuits by converting them into network graphs. So actually, whenever we have complex circuits, okay, there are so many resistances, inductances, they are connected in various ways, sources are there. So for simple circuit it is okay. So suppose we are having a big circuit, okay, everywhere something is connected like this, and we want to analyze a given complex circuit. Then how to do that? Lots of equations will be there. So in any approach, we require some sort of systematic formulation. So network graph theory or simply graph theory enables us to represent these equations in terms of various matrices. And in order to represent the governing equations in terms of matrices, what we require? We require that the graph of the network has to be drawn and then various matrices are to be determined. Then the calculations can be made with the help of those matrices. Especially whenever we can have the facility of computers, then the use of graph theory becomes very convenient for analyzing any complex electrical circuits. So let us read it again. Network topology or graph theory. What is that? Network topology or graph theory is a graphical representation of electrical circuits like this. Suppose we are having any electrical circuit, okay, then this is nothing but the graphical representation of this electrical circuit. It is useful for analyzing complex electric circuits by converting them into network graphs. Okay, let us move further. Next is what is node. So everybody knows about this. Here also in network graph also, a node or vertex is a common point of two or more branches. Okay. Sometimes only a single branch may be connected to the node. Okay, like this. This is a node. Okay. And sometimes two or more branches are connected. So this is a node, this is a node, this is a node. And what is a branch? A branch or edge is a line segment that connects two nodes. So this is a branch, this is a branch, this is a branch. They are line segments. These line segments are between two nodes. The branches correspond to either passive elements or voltage sources of electric circuits. Okay. So if suppose we are having any inductance or capacitance, or we are having capacitance or resistances, or we are having any source, voltage source, then in representation in terms of graph theory, in graphs, network graph of this will be like this. Okay, so instead of each and every element, whether it is inductance or resistance or capacitance or a voltage source, there will be branches. But if suppose there is any current source here, for example like this, we are having any current source. There will not be